Hello guys, this is Yvon Donko, Senior Consultant at CRM Asset Consulting. We are specialized in Microsoft technologies, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI, Dynamics 365, and more. Um, this is video number 19. So in previous videos, I showed you how to create a Zoom meeting directly from Dynamics 365, not using a custom connector as I showed you in the very first video, but using an HTTP action from Power Automate. And I also showed you how to retrieve registrants to a Zoom meeting. Now we will see how to retrieve participants. It resembles the previous video, so it's almost the same. Okay, if you understood the previous video, no need to watch this one. It's almost the same. So let me first show you how the thing works, and then we will see the flow together. Just a minute. Okay, so we run the flow. Zoom participant, this is the correct flow. This is the Power Automate iframe which is opening. I'm not going to be asked to connect on Zoom, okay? No need, because I have used a server to server app, Zoom app, to retrieve data from Zoom. So if I refresh, okay, these are the participants to my Zoom meeting, so it works well. Now let me show you how the flow has been done. So this is my flow. The trigger is when a record is selected, default events. This is an initialization of a variable, an object. Get token, okay, I showed you that it's something like this. Post URL authorization basic encoded value of client ID colon client secret query. You have grant type, which is account credentials. You have account ID, and you set the account ID of the Zoom app. Okay, you retrieve this value from the Zoom app you have created. So then you set the HTTP with the body, variable with the body. I just compose to get the access token value. Okay, then get participant. Okay, so this is the HTTP action to get Zoom participant. So the method is get, and this is the URL. You read it on Zoom API documentation. Either authorization is bearer, and you pass the token retrieved from the previous action above. This is the content type is application JSON. So this will help me to retrieve participants to the Zoom meeting having this meeting ID. Okay. Now I pass the value of the body to my object, okay, variable. Now I need to retrieve the participant array, which is a value of a specific key inside my body retrieved. So this is some variable initialization arrays. These are arrays. Now I need to pass, okay, my array of participants, and I select, okay, name with value, email. Okay, if the value of the email is string, null with quotation, okay, I want null, just null. So this is the purpose of this simple formula. Now I compose, I remove duplicate, you pass as two parameters of the union the same set, it will remove duplicates. Okay, so this is just a compose of the variable. I list, okay, meeting participants row. This will help me to know what is already stored, because the customer will run the flow on demand. Okay, if they run many times, I should avoid recording duplicates. So this is a OData filter. I just filter even value corresponding to, Zoom participant corresponding to the event. I pass, okay, I pass it. I can also select key values, and this is just, I pass that body as value of my variable. I compose, I get the union, okay, of the two, and I can filter. Okay, I filter this to remove items already inserted in the table, in the Zoom participants table. So now I enter in my apply to each loop with only values I'm sure that does not already exist, and I add the rows. Okay, I add the rows. So this is simply how the flow has been done. And many thanks for watching, and see you next time for another video on Power Automate. Thanks.